Well, hey again everyone, this is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in today's video I'm going to take you through how I top balance a new lithium pack. Now first of all, what I did is I put this all together just like as if I was going to use it in a system, all bus barred, BMS hooked up, balancer and all that kind of stuff, and I hooked it up to my solar charger. The reason being, I've got a whole lot more power I can get out of my solar charger than I can from, say, like these El Cheapo low amperage chargers, which means that I can charge this pack a whole lot quicker than I can with something like this. So what I did is when I hooked it up to my solar charger, I've got a 100 amp solar charger that brought up this pack pretty quick, probably within about a half a day. And because initially they don't balance evenly, one of the cells will go ahead of the rest and it'll shut down the BMS. At that point, hopefully, most of your batteries are pretty near fully charged, and then what you do is you disconnect your solar charger, unplug your BMS and your balancers and all that kind of stuff, disconnect all your wires and your bus bars, and then do parallels on this set right here. So you don't even have to take them out of the box, and just do all your parallels, and then take a jumper and jump your positive over your positive and your negative over your negative, and then hook it up to your low amperage chargers like I've got here, and top it off the rest of the way. Now what happened on this charge here is there's two cells here that actually lag behind seriously from the rest of them, and coincidentally these two batteries have an extra tag on them that none of the others had, and that kind of makes me think that maybe these were pre-tested and they were tagged because there was some anomaly about them that wasn't up to par. So I still yet to find out if that's the case or not. So anyways, I'm top balancing them right now off the little chargers. This is a little 10 amp charger right here, and this right here is a 20-30 amp charger. Yeah, that says 3.53, but it's not reading correctly. It's actually putting out 3.65. And so anyways, I'm top balancing these off here, and once I get everything top balanced off, then I'll hook everything back up like I'm running in a regular system with all the bus bars and the BMS and balancer all hooked up and everything, and then I'll give it a load test and see if it discharges in a good balanced state. And if not, I'm kind of having a feeling I might have some issues with these batteries here, and I might have to go to the seller and get some remedy on that. So anyways, that's how I top balance my batteries. And most of you guys there, you can't afford a 100 amp charger. I mean, you'll spend $500,000 on one of those things to do a top balance on one of these battery sets, and just most of us ain't got that kind of dough. So that's the best way to do it. Start off solar charging it first, pull it all apart, then parallel everything together, and let your smaller charger take over, because chances are once the solar charger's done the best it can do on it, it'll be pretty close to being fully charged, where the smaller chargers over here can do what they need to do and don't need a whole lot of time to do it. So anyways, I hope that helps you all out on how to top balance your batteries, and if you have any questions or anything, just leave them down in the comments section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Catch you all later.